Welcome back to Auto Rift. If you run full synthetic oil in your vehicle, you need an oil filter that can actually keep up with it. Today, we are counting down the top 5 best synthetic oil filters on the market to keep your engine running flawlessly and maximize your performance. You can find the links to all the products mentioned in the description below, so be sure to check those out to find the exact fit for your car. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the K&N Select Oil Filter, specifically the SO1004. This filter is a fantastic entry point for maximum engine protection. It boasts a pleated synthetic blend filtration media that captures 99% of contaminants greater than 30 microns. Designed to last up to 20,000 miles, it is widely compatible with select Hyundai, Kia, Subaru, and Honda models. If you want premium performance on a budget, this is a highly reliable choice. Coming in at number 4 is the Wix XP. This filter is engineered specifically for the extreme demands of synthetic motor oils. If your daily drive involves heavy towing, stop-and-go traffic, or long highway stretches, this is built for you. It features next-generation synthetic blended media with natural fibers, delivering an impressive 99% efficiency at 23 microns. Good for 20,000 miles, it provides a precise fit for brands like Acura, Honda, Nissan, and Infiniti. At number 3, we have the Purolator Boss Maximum Engine Protection Spin-On Oil Filter. This one is a true powerhouse. It uses Smart Fusion full synthetic media and a double helix metal center tube to withstand extreme pressure and ensure optimal oil flow. It also features a silicone anti-drain back valve to prevent harmful dry engine starts. Wrapped in a heavy-duty Boss steel casing, it offers incredible durability for towing, hauling, and off-roading. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the FRAM Ultra Synthetic Engine Oil Filter. This filter is all about top-tier protection and user convenience. It utilizes an ultimate dual-layer synthetic media that guarantees up to 20,000 miles of engine protection. It also features a silicone non-drain back valve delivering superior startup protection. Plus, the SureGrip non-slip surface makes installation and removal incredibly easy, saving you from a slippery mess in the garage. And finally, our number 1 pick for the best synthetic oil filter is the K&N Premium Oil Filter, model HP1008. This filter is legendary for a reason. It is designed to provide exceptional, consistent oil flow rates while removing harmful contaminants. Housed in a heavy-duty canister, it easily handles extended service intervals up to 20,000 miles. But the absolute best feature is the fast and easy wrench-off nut welded to the top, making your next oil change a total breeze. That wraps up our list of the top 5 synthetic oil filters. Investing in a high-quality filter is the easiest way to protect your engine and get the most out of your synthetic oil. Remember to check the links in the description to verify the exact fitment for your vehicle. Thanks for tuning in to Auto Rift. Hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video.